To install an access point like this and you don't know how, I'm going to teach you how to do it step by step, and the other one is going to be in the other building over there. Alright, here I'm going to show you how to install a bridge point to point. So that way we have to install another one in that building that you see over there. So that way they can share the internet connection, also transfer data and everything else, instead of having two connections. Here I am on the ladder, as you can see. And this is a trailer, so I installed the first one here. So that way we can run the cable through here, through the roof, go to the other side where they have the data switch, and then we're going to do the same thing in the other side. As you can see here, we have the window, and in the other side we have the trailer. So we have to put some lumber or maybe like a stud, and this stud that you see here, so that way we can adapt it, so that way we can avoid making any hole on the roof or on the wall, because we have a window and we can see perfectly fine just the other antenna that will work as well. We are inside of the trailer and we're running the cable through here all the way through that place and then here. So we are going to make the hole here, and for that we are going to use a drill and we're going to keep working. As you can see, I was able to make the hole, so now we have to run the cable through the other side. So this is the other side of the trailer. Now I have to connect those 2 points. I am in the roof, as you can see. That is the drill bit. I ran the cable already. So this is on top of the trailer. That is my pen. And here we have the support. It's over there. So that should be a short run, and then after that we have to go to the other side. As you can see, cable is inside. Now I have to run it all over there, all the way over here, and then cut it, and we should be good. Here, as you can see, we are going to install in where it says PoE. This is the antenna, the other is LAN. So we have to screw it in. That is easy, and we have to do it over there, as you can see over there. And after that we are going to connect the cable. We have to crimp the terminal, and we have to plug it in here, and that's it. You can see it's installed already. We have to put the cable here, build the cable, crimp the cable, and that's it. As you can see, we have the cable, everything is connected. I'm going to use this zip tie that you see here with these holes, with these screws. I'm going to put it here so the cable is not going to be flying around. Alright, they told me to, in the beginning I was going to put it in the roof, but they changed their mind. We're going to put it in front of the window, kind of like that, aiming towards the other side. We have the customer. Here we have a powerful access point that we are going to install in that end. So we're going to do that. As you can see, We are in the parking lot. This is a huge parking lot for trucks and everything. So they are using tablets over there, and they want to have Wi-Fi for the truck drivers. We're going to do that. So after we install everything here, we're going to go through the roof again and then put it in the little data closet that they have. Right. As you can see, we are going to put them like that, and you have to lock over there. That's it. So as you can see, everything is looking good, main, secondary, so that way it will be easier when I have to plug things in. Alright, now we have the plug, RC45, we can put it there and we should be good. Right, I finished installing this. I'm going to go to the other side and we can complete the job. Alright, we have to make a new hole. I am in the other side, as you can see. So now I'm making a hole here, putting everything together, and we should be good. So we put the labels here, on the cables as well, and the other cable that we ran, we should be set. So everything has their own label.